So in this video, you'll learn how to clear the app cache on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open Settings, and then you want to scroll and select Apps. Under Apps, look for the app that you want to clear its cache and tap on it. And then from here, you want to tap on Storage. Next, you should see the cache that you've currently used against the total storage that the app is consuming. So in order for you to clear the cache, look for Clear Cache at the bottom of the screen and tap on it once. Once the cache has been cleared, you should see it now says 0B, which means the cache is no longer consuming any data on your tablet. Again, if you want to clear the cache, you can just go ahead, look for an app that's collected any cache data, tap on it, select Storage, and then select Clear Cache, and you can see the cache has been successfully cleared. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.